Hello charmers and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Boxycharm unboxing, and if you're gonna see what I got, please keep watching. Hi charmers, so this month was all about natural. Everything was all about natural, all about, like hippie stuff and things like that. And I mean, like, actually I did love it. I mean, I was like, why not, let's try it. So this theme July was all about au naturale. So it came with Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, another veggie mask, Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. I loved it. Luxie Gaia 3-piece brush set. Actually pretty good. Ofra liquid lipstick. It's so bad. It's ugly. Appeal gel liner. Using it as a lip liner. I didn't read correctly. So let's dig in. As you guys know, Boxycharm is $10. Boxycharm is $20 a month. It renews every month. It's cool because I mean, I stopped buying makeup because of it. I've been getting a lot of eyeshadow palettes and things like that, and I've been really hoping they will send us some type of setting spray. I'm right now setting spray, or a foundation or concealer, something like that. But but eyeshadow palette, and it's kind of getting really boring. Like, okay, it's every month. Come on, man, there's more things. So around is okay. So it says here there's $10 at the Ulta Skin Mask. So visit an Ulta Beauty near you for custom Elemis flash fashion. Oh, that is so cool. I'm gonna try it. There's a Ulta Beauty like 20 minutes from here where I live. So okay, so let's talk about the brushes. I love how they come. Like I said, it's all about natural. It's all about hippie stuff. See, there's 3, so 2 came out. Okay, oh wait, doesn't want to come up. Okay, so brushes include Luxie Large Eyeshadow Blending, which is gonna be this one right here. This one. And then we have the Luxie Precision Crease, which is gonna be this one. Already used it on this look. You're gonna see it. And then we have this one, which is the Luxie 520 Foundation. I don't really use foundation brushes, so I might use it with the face mask. I've seen people use it with the face mask, so I'm gonna try it out. But I love the way that it comes with, and I love how, this looks really natural, very pretty. And it comes with this package right here. That's cool. Interesting. They feel really heavy. That's nice. Now, like, what the hell? This one, bright ass lipstick. It's long-lasting lipstick. Santorini. Man, this thing is bright. Let me see for a swatch. Oh wow, that's really pink. That's like a hot pink. Yeah, look at that. That's really pink. Kind of like a lip gloss. Yeah, it's kind of like a lip gloss. It looks like a lip gloss from Ofra. I think this is like the 3rd Ofra lipstick that I have gotten. I mean, no complaint at all. I just this color, probably for the summer. Yeah, summer type. And then here we have the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It's interesting. Never heard of Elemis. I never tried it. First time. I took it off. Like I ate it. Eat that thing. Eat that because it's ugly. It's very ugly. Have too much fun with makeup. Now we have the Appeal Gel Liner. I actually mistaken it for a lip liner. And actually that's what I actually read. That it was a lip liner. But actually it's nice. Very, very dark. and it glides really smoothly. Like yeah, I really like this thing. I'm actually gonna. I was running out of gel liner, so this is gonna come out really handy. Last but not least, we have the palette. Look how beautiful this palette is. Look at the design. Like it's beautiful. Like the flowers and the wood effect on the palette, it feels actually wood. So when you open it, it gives you all the names, and it's called Natural Goddess. It comes with 2 mates and 4 shimmers. It'll come with names, which is really nice. It's Enchantress, Queen, Star, Eva, Temptress, and Femme Fatale. I don't understand what it means, but to each of their own. So now we're gonna give you a little bit swatches. I love that it comes with shimmers. So sometimes it's nice to use shimmers. It comes with greens, it comes with blues, brown, dark brown, really nice colors. Also it comes with an Enchantress. I actually like, I'm not gonna blend, I love these colors. They're pretty, really pretty. Well guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys like this video, this is actually unboxing, please don't forget to like the video. Subscribe down below. Let me know what you thought about this video. If you guys want to see a tutorial on this, actually I have it on right now. You guys can check it out on this beautiful palette. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.